Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. I really appreciate this. Interact with all different kinds of my media channel. We have a lot of stuff coming up. Uh, I have had a lot of requests um, for a couple things. How I've had people ask me how to get started in crypto, and also people wanting me to build some kind of community. Um, so that's what I'm going to do. This video is going to be how to get started in crypto. If you're new to crypto, then this is just going to be an overview. This is going to be it's not financial advice, but it's just educational material. This is how I would get started. It's just my opinion. And it is really confusing. You got a bunch of blockchains. You've got all different kinds of tokens with different kinds of smart contracts, not smart contracts. ERC20, BRC, BRC20, ERC20, all this kind of stuff, right? So anyway, this is just how I would get started. This is going to be an overview of how to get started. If you're new to crypto, this is going to be a good beginner's guide. If you're not new to crypto, then you may find some nuggets in here. And anyway, I just appreciate your support. So, liking and commenting and all that kind of stuff, get the word out to people that may need this information. So, to actually start with, this is a Discord server that I just set up. Or actually, I didn't just set it up. I've had this Discord server for a while. What I've been using it for is my own purposes. Down here in the announcement channels, I have links to other projects that I'm interested in. And what this does is this puts it all in my server so that that consolidates the information so I don't have to go look for it. So it's here to be ready. And like I said, I've had a number of people ask me to, if I had a Discord server, if I could build some kind of community or something like that. And I'm just finally trying to do it. Oh, hey, Merry Christmas, right? It's the day after Christmas, so Merry Christmas to you guys. Anyway, so over here in the server, if you want to join, feel free. Um, you know, I'm really busy. If you message me, I'll probably this is probably the best place to message me if you have a question. Although it might take me a little bit to get back to you, I really do try, especially to keep up with the comments on YouTube and the other channels. But anyway, so just to start with, this is the Discord server. I'm gonna put a link on this. It'll be on my front page of my YouTube channel and other media, and I'll have a link in the description of the videos so that you can join the server off that link. Um, I've got it organized over here. This is probably the first step. I've got it organized over here into different categories. Got Metaverse, Metaverse 1. Um, in this category, like say for instance Metaverse, you can see here that Shadow, this just automatically updates, and this is how I get out some of my news. Shadow Realm is announcing that all information regarding the Player Mint Founder Dragon Pack release will be on the 28th of December. So what this is Shadow Realm's NFT. Player Mint is, if you don't know, they're a gaming group, crypto group from Cardano blockchain, and anybody that holds a Founder Player Mint NFT, which I'm one of them, is going to be able to mint these exclusive NFTs. Also, part of this channel here is if you were following this, you would know that Artifact, their Moon NFT, they're actually a metaverse. I have them under NFT, but their Moon NFTs were just minted. They were going for 52 AD, 80 A, and now they're actually going for about I think they're right around 250, but they were going for 52 just a couple days ago. This minting just happened. They were going for 52 ADA, and now they're going for about 250 ADA just a couple days from the 23rd. Today's the 26th, so 3 days. Anyway, so this is where I get some of my news. I follow some other Discord channels, and the news is all automatically dropped into my Discord. So if you want to join the Discord and become part of that, then you'll be able to receive these updates as well right off my Discord channel. We've got a chat channel, and then we have general chat. Again, this is just a Discord that I set up for myself, but join and type something in here and all that kind of stuff, and say hi to me and everything. That'd be cool if you want to. It's up to you. Um, also I have this getting started with crypto, which this video is going to be about getting started with crypto. The links that I have are going to be listed in underneath this category, getting started with crypto. So anyway, the first thing is you want a good exchange, right? Exchange is what you're going to buy your cryptocurrency on. So the exchange that I've been using, I use a number of exchanges. I use Binance, I use Coinbase, and I use a number of exchanges. But the exchange I've been using recently is Phemex. And why I've been using Phemex is because they have a premium membership. You can actually, well, if you click on this link here, it'll actually give you a 7-day free premium membership. Um, and it'll give me a 7-day free premium membership too. So make sure you use this referral link. That'll hook me up. It'll hook you up. And there's bonuses, $100 welcome bonus, and all that kind of stuff. You can go in there and check that out as well. But the trading fees is really what I'm interested in. Trading fees can eat up your profits really quick if you're trading in and out. So I use Phemex, and I earn my free premium through different kinds of things that they have on their events they have on there. It's only $60 a month. So if you can eat $60 up real quick in trading fees. So that's why I use Phemex, but I also use Binance. I use Coinbase. Um, let's see real quick. Um, well, if you go to Phemex, I don't want to sign in. I don't want to do that either. If you go to Phemex though, anyway, just check it out. Check Phemex out. There's a bunch of events and stuff going on there. I was going to show you, but it's okay. I don't want to have to sign in right now. So anyway, let's see the next thing. So the first thing you want to do in crypto is you want to have a good exchange. The next thing you want to do is you want to know what blockchain you at least want to focus on, right? And everybody has an opinion, but and everybody likes different things. But I really like Cardano. I'm a big Cardano fan. The fees are very low. In fact, when I transfer money, like if I'm going to transfer, it, money from one account to the other, I actually turn it into Cardano and transfer the Cardano and then turn it into whatever I want, because Cardano is, you can pretty much trade Cardano or the ADA token. You pretty much trade it on any of the exchanges. And it's cheap to transfer it, and it's simple to transfer it. You don't have to, 9 times out of 10 you don't have to know whether it's a ERC20 token or this and that. You just transfer the Cardano, right? There's a lot of hiccups with the different contracts and all that kind of stuff. So you just transfer it. Cardano is sitting 6. Cardano is a blockchain. Okay, Cardano is a blockchain, just like Ethereum is a blockchain. Cardano is a blockchain. ADA is the token. All right. So Ethereum is a blockchain, and ETH is the token. Cardano, it takes about it'll cost like usually less than $1 to transfer. As much as you really want. Cardano from one place to the other. The last time I tried to transfer something on ETH, uh, it cost. I mean, I was trying to make one deposit to stake some ETH. I've been making videos about VLaunch. VLaunch is a good project, but they wanted to charge me, not VLaunch but ETH. It was going to be $175 to make one transfer, and it's just, that's ridiculous, right? So anyway, I use Cardano to move stuff around. Another benefit of Cardano is is that if you look over here, then um, if you look right here, then it says circulating supply, and it shows the circulating supply, and then it says maximum supply, and it shows the maximum supply, right? Well, this is a blockchain with a maximum supply. Okay. Um, Solana, as far see, these don't show any maximum supply. Okay. Bitcoin has a maximum supply. All right. ETH, I think they said that I saw somewhere where there was a maximum supply, but it's up in the air. You can always, I mean, they can always create some more, right? They have like a floating maximum supply. What this means is that somebody can come in. I don't consider a currency without a maximum supply is a currency that can be depreciated or inflated at any time. And it's just not something that I want to be involved with. Although the financial institutions um, and the Federal Reserve here in America, Federal Reserve and all that kind of stuff. I mean, our currency is a currency without a maximum supply, and this is the way that the system that there is wants it to be, so that um, so that they can always print more money. If you don't know it, there's a game. It's like a game going on in the economy, right? And the game is um, print a bunch of money, and then the people that can pour their money into hard assets. Inflation happens, the price of the assets go up, the people dump the assets, the price of the assets go way down, and then the middle of the man gets screwed. I mean, this is the cycle, right? Is that and it's done through the printing of money. If you have something with a market cap to it that no more can be printed of it, then you only can have it appreciate as long as it's still a valuable asset. Unless it becomes useless, it's only going to appreciate. That's why Bitcoin's going up, is because there's a limited amount of them. It only can appreciate because as inflation appreciates, then the asset has to appreciate as well because there is a cap on it. So I won't go in more of this, but it's just simple economics. The way money is, the printing of money, all the power is created. All the power is whoever prints the money has all the power. Okay, and if nobody can print the money, then the power is distributed. This is simple economics. Okay. So unless you have people that are hoarding, but you can still, if there's a cap on it, you can still take part of that power. This is why I like Cardano. It's cheap to send. It's cheap to send across blockchains. You can use it with many blockchains, um, and it has a market cap. Okay, so this is why I'm recommending Cardano. This is why I like Cardano. Okay, um, now, so this was just a little background on it. You also, we have let's go back to the Discord. So we have the exchange, and you can use Binance. I use Binance. I use Coinbase. I use a bunch of them, but I'm using Femex the most right now because of the fees. So we have a good exchange here. And again, if you click on this link, you'll get a free premium, and you'll hook me up with a couple days of free premium as well. If you join the Discord, and then this is just a little bit of research. More research if you want to. Now, Cardano is the blockchain, ADA is the token, and then you have the ecosystem. Okay, ecosystem are projects that are built on top of that blockchain. All right, so you have ecosystem. This link is on the Discord. This is not a exhaustive list of the ecosystem, but this is a list of some of the projects built on Cardano. You can come here, you can check that out. You can click on the links like MELD. It'll give you an overview of what MELD is. It'll tell you some information, total supply. Here's links to the website. MELD just had an ISPO that I was involved in. And I stayed in the whole time, got my Diamond Hand NFT. So excited about MELD. MELD is a great project. But anyway, there's the link to the ecosystem, the interactive ecosystem. So you can click on each project and check it out, see where they're at. Um, so that would be your research to do. This would be general blockchain, any kind of crypto, and then this is a link to Cardano specific ecosystem. Then you need a chart. You get a chart with every exchange. They have charting software and stuff like that, but it's not good. What I use is I use TradingView. TradingView, you can use it free. This is what you'll see when this is what you see when I'm making my technical analysis videos. Is TradingView, and so you can use it free. Every once in a while, you'll see like a little pop-up of an advertisement. If you want to pay, then you get some extra features, which is nice. But I encourage you, this is a good software to use. This is reliable. You can save your different pairs over here if you want to look at Bitcoin, if you want to look at ADA. There's VPAD right there. VPAD. Look at that spike, man. That was exciting right there. But there's your VPAD. VPAD's just pumping, right? So another thing I want to show you here on ADA, I won't get into it too much on the Cardano ADA token, um, is if you're new and you want to get in ADA, I mean, we've had quite a spike, right? This is a monthly chart, but and not financial advice, but I called this a while ago, this bounce. And I think that we're going to about right here. I think we're going to turn around and go right back up, and we're going to go about to right here or so, right around that say $3 area, $3.25 area. So I think it's a good time to get in. It's just my personal opinion. I'm still buying ADA at this point. I trade in and out of the market. I'm still adding to my bag at this point. So that's a monthly chart, and you see on a weekly chart, look at that nice little spike going up. All right, that's a nice spike we've had. So I think we're going about to right around this 3.25 area, and I'm just watching this trading, like I said, trading in and out. So I think it's a good time to buy ADA. It's still reasonably priced. You're talking about $1.43. I think it's undervalued, to be honest with you, because there's so much happening on the ADA blockchain. Now with the ADA token, so that's your chart, TradingView. If you want to join the Discord, like I said, I've put a link to TradingView is right here. Here's a link to the TradingView. Um, okay, now the benefits of ADA is if you followed the VLaunch project, which I'm very excited about. Not happy that I have to KYC though, and I can't get in on the project. I'm not going to be able to take advantage of most of what's going on the project. I'm still trading the token. It's good. It's a good staking opportunity. Um, I'm upset that I have to KYC for it, right? And if you're in America, or one of the other many places that, you know, that you have to KYC, I'm sorry, right? But there's an alternative. And this is why I like Cardano, is just like VLaunch, you stake your coins, you make other coins. Cardano has what they call ISPOs or SPOs, right? And the staking is kind of Cardano's claim to fame. As far as I'm aware, they're the first ones that started doing this. And staking is what you do is um, well, let's talk about this wallet. Let's talk about wallet. Uh, Yoroi. Yoroi. I guess how you say it. Okay, so you need a wallet. We're going to talk about staking because you stake inside your wallet. Yoroi. Okay, is I have like 10, 12 wallets, right? But Yoroi is I think that's how you say it. Is a wallet that I use, and is one of the wallets that I use. The link I have a link for it down in the Discord there, and just make sure you're downloading it from official links. You don't want to be downloading some kind of weird wacky software. This is a decent wallet. I'm gonna show you one of my wallets here. So you can have multiple wallets on in one account if you want to, and you can also have multiple accounts, right? You can have on different systems and this and that. Um, the one thing I didn't put was the Brave browser. I use the Brave browser. You make cryptocurrency just by surfing the web. But what I have here is I have 4 different wallets with my Cardano in it, and I have 4 different wallets with my Cardano in it. I actually just created created these wallets. It was very recent, for a couple of reasons. Really, so I could stake in different places, and I like to spread my Cardano around. I got some other places too. Um, but this is what I do is I have it split up into fours. You have a couple things. You have your dashboard here. It shows you your amount of ADA that's in that. You have, it shows your amount of ADA in that specific wallet. Upcoming rewards. Okay, now this is just like the staking with the VPAD, right? Cardano was really the one that started this. You can stake your Cardano coins and you receive a return on those coins. Okay? It's a difference between proof of stake and proof of work. So right now I'm making the minimum 6% on all the Cardano that I have staked, right? So there's 6%, and what that is a bonus you get by producing blocks. So you're actually making the transactions on the blockchain. So that's like your kickback fee. This is how you and I are becoming the bank, because we can stake our money and that adds liquidity to the market and produces blocks and all this kind of stuff. I won't go into all the technical stuff, but anyway, but what happens is this by staking your Cardano, you get the right to produce nodes, or produce the next block on the blockchain, and then you get a kickback of the fees that are involved in those transactions. Okay. So anyway, but you can staking. So this Euro wallet, you've got your dashboard, you've got your transactions, you've got your send, you have assets, right? These are NFT assets. Okay, so you can hold your NFTs in the Euro wallet. You can receive funds, and then you can do delegation. All right. Now on the front dashboard here, it will show who I'm delegated to. Now, in this pool specifically, this is the IMX pool. They are doing the ISPO. They're having the ISPO right now. It doesn't show the rewards because actually the rewards are paid out not in ADA, but or the Cardano token, not ADA, but they're going to be paid out in the IMX token, which is IOMX is building the global ID. In fact, they already have a bunch of kiosks set up where people are already getting their IDs, and MELD's going to be there doing banking for them. It's a great project. In fact, I had an interview with the founders a while ago. That's a great interview. I encourage you to check out their ISPO. But this is why I like the Cardano token. So I can stake my Cardano token in the IMX staking pool. And what happens is they get the Cardano, the interest I would have made on my Cardano. They receive the interest, and in return for that, they give me the IMX token. So I'm staking my token, and they're getting my Cardano, and I'm receiving their IMX token. So I'm getting a stake in their business, in their new company. IMX is one of them that that is that I'm staked in. Now there's a number of different. I mean, there's all kinds of ISPOs going. Flick is doing an ISPO. This is Animal right here. This is the Maldax, which is a decentralized exchange. This is why I have a number of wallets, because I have a number of. I'm staking in different things, right? This is the Animal Maldax. So let's see real quick. Let's see. There's the Maldax. Okay, so this is the Maldax. Staking page, and in fact, let's see, let's go back to the wallet. In fact, here's a link to their website in the Yoroi wallet, right? um, on the dashboard here. This shows you where you're staked at. Epoch, you see it says end of epoch 310 current, right? um, and it gives a date. The December the 20 is 26, right? So that's today. Um, Epoch is 5 days. So every 5 days is when you get that interest payment. Okay, so the interest is paid every 5 days. You can take the Cardano out anytime you want to. There's no lockup period. There's a lockup period on some of these pools, but you just need to read whatever is specific to the pool, right? Um, so every 5 days you're going to make that 6% interest on whatever Cardano you have staked in that pool. Unless you're staked in a pool that's going to take 100%. Okay. Um, here is a link to the pool to the pool page. Here's a link to their website. You can actually, this is the contract number. See this? This is the pool contract number. You can click on that and copy it. And right in this wallet, you can go over here to the delegation list. Now this is going to be the list of all the pools operating, whether they're Cardano or other ones. We can paste our contract list, our pool list, and there you see the pool came right up. Okay, so that's a way you can search for the pool through the delegation list. You can search by the name, or you search by the score and all that kind of stuff. Okay, now so this MELD pool, this is a decentralized exchange right now, right? Um, so we got the contract list here. You want to make sure that you always go on the official websites and stuff because there's lots of scams going out. Now you have options. They have a couple different options here. They have a variable fee of 5%, 5x airdrop bonuses, 1,350 per epoch distributions, and then you have a lottery, 150. Okay, so these are the multipliers for these pools here. So the first two pools have the same multipliers. And this is a partial. This would be like if you wanted to stake part of your ADA and then receive part of your ADA back, right? So you would receive some of your ADA from interest. It wouldn't all go to MELD, so you'd have a partial return on it, right? Now, if you want to stake and get a 100% return on your ADA, right? So then these would be the multipliers for that. Okay. So 3,000 lottery per epoch, 2,700 distribution, 100 multiplier. Okay, so these are the multipliers if you're going to give them all of the interest off of your ADA. Okay, so this is an IPO. When I say IPO, it's initial stake pool offering. Okay, because this is a company coming up. I'm investing in this company is what I'm doing through the interest that I'm receiving off of my cryptocurrency. So I'm not putting money in it. Kind of I'm putting the interest payment that I would receive off of my cryptocurrency off of my Cardano. I'm putting it in the MELD pool, and they're receiving my interest, and I'm receiving their token. Okay. Um, so let's see where we at here. Okay, so that is that's that. Here's also back in my other wallet here, the IMX pool. Um, you can go to their website. Here's the same thing. You can paste a contract. There's a website. Here's their website. I encourage you to check this out. This is going to be a great project. It's going to do well. And then here's their official pool page here, and it gives you some information and all that kind of stuff. But you can get to all that through these links here. And you can search for it at the delegation. Okay, so now also with the ADA token, okay, so that's staking. That's why I love this. That's why I like the VLaunch project. That's why I like VLaunch, is because you stake your token and you get token back, and you get tokens from the from whatever the project is that they're doing. The only thing I don't like is that I can't take advantage of it because I'm in the U.S. So thank you, U.S. It's not VLaunch's fault, but if you like that kind of setup, which I'm very fond of, I think this is a great setup. Um, then ADA's the way to go. So I really I'm big on ADA. It's like I said, it is decentralized. ADA is definitely decentralized. The owners don't own all the tokens. It was there was a good distribution. Everybody had a chance to get in. You still have a chance to get in. Um, and then the governance factor. So we have ADA voting. Okay. So what ADA voting is it would be like if you have government and the government's giving out grants. Okay. And the grants are going to be new projects coming up built on the Cardano blockchain. Okay. Well, you can come into the Yoroi wallet, and if you go to voting, what you do is you download the Catalyst app on your telephone, and then they're a snapshot. They take a picture of you register, and they take a picture of the Cardano in your wallet. They take a picture of the ADA, how much ADA you have in your wallet. That gives you a voting power. Okay, so you get a voting power for that. Then you go when it's open, when the voting's open. I think the next one is in January 6th, maybe something like that. So when it's time to vote, then you go on and you vote for the upcoming project, stuff that you would like to see built on the Cardano blockchain, whether it's metaverses or governmental systems or whatever it is. You vote. They pay you to vote. You get a reward for voting. They deposit ADA in your account for voting, and then you get to see the projects. You have a you have a vote in what happens in in the Cardano blockchain. They're setting this up in I mean this is going to be big. They're setting this up. I mean they're basically taking over Africa. And they're setting up, this is a system that governments are going to be built on in the upcoming years. So this isn't just going to, just whatever banking systems or metaverses or something like that. This is governmental, okay? And you have a chance to be a part of it. So this is why I'm big on ADA. I really like this. Okay, so that's how you're going to vote, and you receive a reward for voting. Okay. Um, Now let's see what else we want to touch on today. Oh, another upcoming. Now the IMX. I have a link to the Maldex IPO or ISPO going on, and the IMX ISPO going on. You can go in there and join those. Another one's coming up is Sunday Swap. Sunday Swap ISPO is coming up. It hasn't started yet, or SPO is coming up, and that's going to happen when they release I guess when they release mainnet. They're on testnet right now. Now with Sunday Swap, you're going to receive the Sunday token, and you're going to receive um, ADA. You're going to receive both of them. They're not even going to charge you to be in the ISPO, okay? So you want to make sure you get in. The Sunday Swap is going to be big. Don't get sidetracked by, if you think the name's goofy or not. I know when I started getting into blockchain and into cryptocurrencies, I thought some of these names are crazy. Well, some of the, money speaks, right? So this is going to be like Pancake Swap is what this is. And Pancake Swap and Uniswap, this is going to be a place where you can do stake pool farming, add liquidity, and do token swaps. So this is going to be big. You want to get in on this, right? And what you'll do is you will uh, you would purchase your ADA. You can access their pools through the Urio wallet, and what you do is you find one of their delegation pools. Okay, these are their delegation pools here. You find one of them, and you just delegate your ADA to it, and going to get Sunday Swap token, and you're going to get ADA back too. You'll get both out of this pool. So, and this is coming up. Make sure you get in on that, right? Um, so this is my recommendations for how to get started in blockchain. Start with ADA. ADA is easy, okay? The Cardano blockchain, ADA, is an easy blockchain because, well, for one, if you don't know what you're doing and you're messing with Ethereum, you can burn a bunch of money quick, okay, in trading fees and all that kind of stuff. This is easy to trade. This is easy to transfer. This is easy to stake. There's really no lockup period unless otherwise specified by whoever specific pool you're staking in. Um, this is the way that I would get started. To be honest with you, this is the way I would start, and this is the way I would finish. So it's just that I invest in other stuff. I invest in other blockchains, right? I mean, Bitcoin's a blockchain, Solana's a blockchain. Some of these have just taken off, just outrageous. And so I invest, I trade in and out of them and all that kind of stuff. But Cardano is the one I would start with, and it's the one I would finish with. If you just want to trade and make some money, the other ones are fine, right? But this is just my recommendation, not financial advice. Okay. Well, thank you for joining me today, and I hope your trading's going well. Y'all are beautiful. If you have any questions, hop in the Discord. I'll have a link. Hop in there, ask me questions. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Come in here and check out some of these things I'm following. These aren't the only things that I'm following. I just kind of set this up for me. And everybody doesn't have a Discord where I can just webhook their announcements into this. I wish they did, but they don't. Um, anyway, so y'all are beautiful, and I'll see you next time.